Shipping setting. Here we provide two shipping ways. One is ship to yourself. The other is ship to your customer. It is a dropshipping service. If you choose the dropshipping service, after you read the passage and click confirm it, then you can use our dropshipping service. We can ship your order to your customer directly. If you choose the shipping way by yourself, you need to create the shipping now. Fill out the name. Search the arrow. Confirm it. Click Create a shipping profile. Here you need to write the rate name. You also need to write the shipping time on it. And we offer the two shipping calculated way. One is based on order price and the other is based on product weight. If you choose the first one, you need to set up the lowest price and the highest price. Also, if you choose the free shipping, here in price you don't need to write anything, but if you need to charge the shipping fee, you need to click a free button and it will be changed to gray. Then write the shipping cost. If you choose based on product weight, you also need to set up the minimum weight and the maximum weight. And the price is the same as you set as based on order price. Click confirm it. Then you have completed the shipping setting. The rate of each zone can only be set in the same way.